Hi, my name is Anna Kate Alford. I'm a senior music therapy student at Georgia College and State University, and I would love to be considered an applicant for the internship program at Metro Music Therapy. Alrighty, I'm going to play 2 songs for you. The one I'm playing now is Raining in My Heart by Buddy Holly. I love this song, and it's helped me connect to clients I've not been able to connect to before. Sometimes a client will get distracted by Buddy Holly's happy, sugary, and bright songs, and something that's more their speed is something calming, grounding, and melancholy. So I think this is a perfect song for certain clients who want me to meet them at their level. The sun is hot, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view, but it's raining, raining in my heart. The weatherman says clear today, he doesn't know you've gone away, but it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery, what's gonna become of me? I tell my blues they mustn't show, but soon these tears, they're bound to flow, 'cause it's raining, raining in my heart. Raining in my heart. Thank you very much.